Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 13th of July 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. So who is the former CEO of NITI Aayog who will serve as a new G20 summit sherpa? So the correct answer of this question is option C. So recently the former NITI Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant has been picked as India's new Sherpa for the G20 replacing Piyush Goyal. Okay, so now next question. Who was appointed to lead the Confederation of Indian Industry as president? So the correct answer of this question is option B. So recently R. Dinesh has become new president of the Confederation of Indian Industry. Okay, so now next question. Who was the second Indian and the first woman to appear on the International Monetary Fund's wall of former chief economist? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Geeta Gopinath. So India-born Geeta Gopinath became the first woman and second Indian to feature on the wall of former chief economists of the International Monetary Fund. Okay, so now move to the next question. Who has been appointed Managing Director and CEO of SBI General Insurance? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Paritosh Tripathi. So recently the private non-life insurer SBI General Insurance has appointed Paritosh Tripathi as a Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer effective July 5th. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following organization conducts the Consumer Confidence Survey and Inflation Expectation Survey of household? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is RBI. So recently RBI has decided to engage Mumbai-based Hansa Research Group to conduct field work for the July 2022 round of the Consumer Confidence Survey and Inflation Expectation Survey of household. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following organization launched the Startup School India initiative which aimed to collect relevant information on startup building into a systematic curriculum? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Google. So recently Google launched the Startup School India initiative with aim to gather relevant information on startup building into a systematic curriculum to help 10,000 startups in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following organization introduced the Cyber Vault Age Insurance Plan through Cyber Insurance Policy for individual? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is SBI General Insurance. So recently SBI General Insurance has launched the Cyber Vault Age Insurance Plan, a comprehensive cyber insurance cover for individual that provides protection against financial losses arising from cyber risk and attacks. Okay, so now next question. Which date was specified the bank to raise new FCNR and NRI deposit in accordance with the RBI Circular on FCNR Accounts? So the correct answer of this question is option A. So recently the Reserve Bank of India, also known as RBI, has opted the temporary authorized bank to raise new FCNR and NRE deposit without compiling to existing guidelines on interest rate effective from July 7, 2022. So as per the present guidelines, interest rate on NRE deposit must not be higher than those provided by bank equivalent domestic rupee term deposits. Okay, so now next question. How many trillions in interest-free capital expenditure loan will be the center give the state this fiscal year? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 1 trillion. So recently the center will release rupees 1 trillion interest-free capex loan to the state under 7 conditions. This condition include facilitating Ghati Shakti funding, the PM Gram Sadak Yojana, incentivizing digitalization, laying the optical fiber cable network, urban reform, disinvestment and monetization. So while rupees 80,000 crore will be allocated to the state in proportion to their shares in the center tax and duties, the remaining rupees 20,000 crore will be for the specific purpose. Okay, so now move to the next question. During this fiscal year, how many trillions of dollars in interest-free capital expenditure loan will the center grant to the state? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 22%. So as per the report, 22% of gig workers in the India primarily earn who support their families and view their job as a livelihood. Okay.